Hi Ray, pretty sure I've asked you about this before, so excuse me for asking again, but it seems that every time this is a new hashtag, and upon first load, it's bringing in the images no problem. But if I go into new images, there's only two images, and you've written a script to continually requery until all of these are full. The images are available upon first load. We're viewing them anyway, but they're not available for caching. I just don't quite understand. And moving forward, it'd be nice to put in a hashtag and have it fill up, and then edit it straight away, obviously. Maybe it's beyond our control. Maybe this is something more to do with Instagram. I can't remember what you said. Can you just remind me again, why it seems every time we're putting in new hashtags, we need to write a note and then come back later. If that's the way it has to be, fine, but I'm just wondering why. So if you could let me know, that'd be great. Okay, thanks Ray. Cheers.